Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your scene ready and assigning a skybox. Open the lighting window and focus on the skybox material field. If you don't have a material, import a 6-sided cubemap or create a procedural skybox asset in the project. Once done, drag that material into the skybox material slot so the scene updates. You do this now because the skybox drives ambient lighting and reflections, which affects materials and post-processing immediately. Next, adjust the skybox parameters to match the mood and time of day. For a procedural skybox, change sun size, atmosphere thickness, and exposure so lighting and horizon blend correctly. For an H-dry cubemap, alter rotation and exposure on the material to frame the scene. Then make sure ambient mode and lighting is set to skybox and bake or update reflection probes so reflections and indirect light match the sky. These steps give consistent lighting and believable shading across objects. Finish by testing in play mode and iterating. Rotate your directional light to align sunlight with sky features and tweak its intensity so shadows match. Make sure post-processing exposure and color grading don't crush sky detail. Reduce auto exposure extremes if needed. If the sky still looks wrong, reassign the skybox material, rebuild reflection probes, and baked GI or clear the global illumination cache. This single troubleshooting step, rebuild probes and GI, resolves most visual mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.